For those who suffer from sleep apnea, it is easy for gravity to cause the tongue to slip when sleeping on their backs, thus blocking the airway. They often wake up suddenly in the middle of sleep because they cannot breathe. Therefore, it is not recommended to sleep on your back. Some doctors point out that generally speaking, when a person sleeps on his side, the tongue is less likely to slide down into the respiratory tract. Therefore, it is the best sleeping position for patients with sleep apnea problems. I found myself this simple and easy way for this sleeping position.